Happy Vlogmas Day 16. Today is an exciting day. We're gonna show you us, well, not making the cookies. Mick already made the cookies, but we're gonna show us baking the cookies and then frosting the cookies and the end of the cookies, what they all look like. And so I'm very excited for that. But beforehand, we gotta do our advent calendar. So today is day 15. And inside we have, oh, first I was like, why do we have Jason from Friday the 13th? But that's Clark when he's got the ski mask on. And the neighbors are like, where are you going to put that tree? Bend over and I'll show you. But yeah, little Clark.
Talking to you.
Little Clark W. Griswold with the little mask on and his saw. So that's my advent calendar for day 15. And now on with the baking. Okay, and we're gonna start baking. So we clean off and sanitize the table, and then we're gonna do the baking on the table this time. We have a huge amount of dough to use. So here's our setup. We sanitize the table. We've done it on all different areas, but for now we're going to use this. And so he's going to start rolling out the dough. And then we got the pans and stuff all set here. We also clear this area off just in case we need it. And here's our things. The Christmas ball, the Christmas tree, the Christmas cow, the mitten, Santa, star, and angel.
That's actually a snowflake.
Oh, sorry, snowflake. That's what we do the Christmas cookies of. So I'm gonna let him get going on that a little bit, and then kind of show you like our first tray, and we'll do a lot more probably of the decorating piece, and that'll be later today after the cookies are done and made and cooled off. Here's the first tray. And Mick's working on doing some more of the mittens and the, what has he got? The Christmas cow. So there you go.
It's so much easier to put them in the right way with the cutting thing.
Yeah. Here's Mick. He's putting some more cutouts down, and wish you could smell what we're smelling. Here's the first batch.
You could smell what we're cooking.
Yeah, or bacon. We're bacon.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, here's another plate of cookies. There's our dough. This is 2 batches. It just does not seem like there's going to be enough cookies. Probably because our cookies are so big. But just thought I'd show this. Once they cool down, we get all the frostings out and the decorations. We'll go from there. Just another quick shot. Still going through, getting them made. We got pans in the oven. We got pans ready to go in the oven. And we got these done so far. Last little bit of
Finally to the end.
stuff. Yeah, doesn't make nearly enough, but our cookies are huge. So they'll be good. All right, here's what we got out of 2 big batches full of cookies. The pans are cooling right now. I use clay from like Pampered Chef. So we got those cooling, these cooling, and then those to decorate. And that doesn't look like very many with 3 boys and a husband at home. I don't know if they'll last until Christmas, but after they cool, so later this afternoon or tonight, we'll be decorating. So here's the setup now. So I got most of the kitchen cleaned up after making the, sorry, my fingers are in there, making the frosting. And thank goodness for Tupperware. So all our candies are in those Tupperware containers. Then we have this container and this container for the cookies. The shakes go in this huge, there's some gloves right there, container right there. And if that's not enough for cookies, they'll go in the leftover bin right there. And then here's starting out with the green. So there's my frostings. Here's the cookies. There's all the stuff on top. just going to show you the Connor's decorated cookies so far. Here's going to be mine to go. And we'll just go from there. Okay, just decorating cookies. I got them on the table here. And then you can show all the ones we have over there. Not sure if we're going to have enough frosting for the whole cloud. So,
Oh yeah, we'll make it work.
I hope so.
We'll make it work.
Yeah. Pink on pink.
Right?
We still got yellow yet. There's some green. My favorite. Start at the top of the tree. Start at the top of this tree. Or near the top. The Christmas balls. Yeah, so this is what we do. You just throw on what we got and hope everyone likes them. All right, so that's most of the cookies, and there's a few here on the table. And with that, that takes care of our cookie decorating. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. I typically put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, but we're doing Vlogmas. So from the 1st through the 24th, I plan on putting out a video every day. If you haven't already found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And I usually put up a reel every week there, and then some pictures too whenever my outfit happens to coordinate with my bag. I think that's all I have for you this time. I hope you enjoyed the decorating. Again, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe. It would help me grow my channel. It means a lot to me. It's like Christmas giving time. Now's the time to add channel subscriptions to your YouTube. But until next time, which would be tomorrow, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. And
Bye. You can go now. You've been here long enough. You can go.
me? Oh, the
Bye.
camera person.